take a look at the UNITYTactical cold weather liner. Essentially, this is a cold weather liner for your helmet. Rather than wearing a separate beanie or watch cap, which generally is going to displace the pads on the helmet, making your ear pro fit improperly, making your night vision goggles not line up in front of your eyes properly, generally causing a lot of discomfort because it's essentially giving a very slick surface on the top of your head for the helmet, which already has the weight because you've got the heft of a ballistic helmet plus all the accoutrements that you've got on there. It's going to want to wobble around a lot on top of the hat, and basically it's going to make that hat want to rub your forehead raw to the point where, you know, some guys they start bleeding, it pulls your hair out. It's just generally very uncomfortable because neither the helmet or the hat were designed to be worn in conjunction. So rather than having that whole fiasco, the cold weather liner basically integrates directly into the helmet and is going to go right underneath the pads in between the shell and the actual helmet pads, so that the pads that are normally in direct contact with your head in warm weather are still going to be the same exact pads in the same place contacting your head in cold weather. So let's take a look at how we install the cold weather liner. So we've got a OpsCore fast ballistic helmet. This could be any brand of helmet. We just happen to have an OpsCore fast here. The cold weather liner is essentially got a Velcro pile, a stretchy Velcro pile material on the top, and then on the inside it has the hook portion. So you're going to take your helmet and pull out all of the pads from the inside. So now you've got a naked helmet on the inside here. You're going to take the front seam and the rear seam of the cold weather liner, and you're just going to line it up on the inside of the helmet shell. The Velcro pile surface on the outside of the cold weather liner is going to just make contact with the Velcro discs on the inside of the helmet shell. So essentially, you're going to have something like that, from which you're just going to replace your pads directly inside the cold weather liner. So now, the same pads that are always touching your head are still going to be always touching your head, but you're going to have the fleece warmth of a separate watch cap or a separate beanie on the inside of the shell, retaining warmth, and you're also going to have more coverage down here that's going to go around the face, covering up parts of your cheek. It's going to cover up your ears and more of the nape of your neck, and it's not going to give you any of the uncomfortable displacement that having two separate helmet and hat or watch cap is going to give you. So the cold weather liner is completely compatible with all rail-mounted comm systems. The cups are basically just going to go right on the outside of the lower fleece portion, giving you the same seal and ear protection that wearing a beanie or a watch cap underneath your helmet would. For those of you not wearing helmet-mounted comms, the cold weather liner has slots on the inside that you can basically route your headset headband system through it, and then just wear it normally underneath your helmet. For optimal warmth, comfort, and full integration into your helmet during winter operations, check out the UNITYTactical cold weather liner.